So I thought this was going to be a lot harder than it was, being that my truck is so old and I dip it in salt water all the time. But this is like 15 minutes, which is legit with the right tools, a lift, and the equipment. So here's the old nuts on the U-bolts, 21 millimeters. This is the new U-bolts, is 22, 15, 18, 15, 18. All right, everything's out and installed. It went very well. These were the Skyjacker Hydro 7000s. They don't assemble the shocks for you, probably to save money and provide you with a lower cost product. So lubricate these with wheel bearing grease, the red bushing, or WD-40, anything, Vaseline. Take a hammer, pop them in. Don't install the steel collars until you get the bushing in first. Same thing with them, lubricate them with wheel bearing grease, Vaseline, oil, whatever you want to do. I would say Vaseline and wheel bearing grease, because these do move. You don't want them to creak or squeak. And then you want to bang on a flat surface, tap the collars in, top and bottom. So bushings first, top and bottom, collars next. Repeat that for both sides. Make sure you put the boot on. It keeps dust, debris, and water out of the piston area. Keep it from getting screwed up. You slide the big opening over the top, and then you can see right here it comes with a zip tie. Just to zip tie it to the shock. I didn't cut it back yet, but it looks good. I'm excited. And this was 2-inch. I did the front, and man, it's sitting up high now. Now I think I can go with some bigger wheels. Thanks for watching.